Hello, my dear friends. Look at this. All my numbers are mixed up. But this puzzle board needs them in order. Can you help me find them? Are you ready? Let's start the hunt. Let's find the first number. And the first number is 1. 1. Let's find 2. Is this 2? No. 2. And the next is 3 number. 3. Let's find 4. 4. Next number is 5. Is this 5? No. 5. Next number is 6. Where is 6? 6. And the next number is 7. Is this 7? No. Yes. 7. Let's find 8. Where is 8? 8. 9. Yes, this number is 9. The next number is 10. Is this 10? No. Let's see. Where is 10? Yes, 10. Let's see what's the next number. I think 11. Yes, 11. The next number is 12. Let's find together 12. Is this 12? No. Let's find. Yes, we find 12. Next number is 13. 13. What's the next number? Is this 40? No. Is this? No. Where is 14? Yes, 14. The next number is 15. Let's find 16. Is this 16? No. Yes, 16. Let's find 17. Oh, where is 17? 17 is missing. Oh no. Oh yes, we find it. 17. The next number is 18. Is this 18? No. Yes, I think this is the 18 number. 18. And the second last number is 19. And the last number is 20. Yes, we got it. Wait, wait. They look different. They are not numbers. Let's find it. Is there place? No. I think this. Oh yes, it's plus. And what is the next? I think this. Oh, this is minus. Let's find next. Is this? Let's check it. This is the multiply. What is the next? I think this. This is the divide symbol. And the last symbol is equal. Yes, we did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Plus, minus, multiply, divide, equal. You are all amazing friends. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.